Hello, my name is Duane Smith. I own Canvas Works. I'm going to show you how to install a snap-on cover correctly. In this situation, I'm standing outside the boat. In another situation, I'll be inside the boat. The problem with the inside install method is that you have to reach over the cover. It's the physics of the cover. So we're going to install it. First of all, we've slid the front end of the cover into a pre-installed awning rail. We use awning rail instead of snaps because it relieves the stress of 4 snaps traveling down the road holding the front of the cover on. So you've got it draped over the boat. Now go to the front, attach the front snap. Go to the back. We have a handle sewn into ours so they're easy to grab. Snap on. Go to the other side and repeat the exact same thing. What this does for you, it aligns all of the snaps. So you're not trying to align the snaps all the way down the boat. That is also the problem with being in the inside of the boat. Is you do have to go snap by snap. Then, of course you can't see this, I'm snapping the snap line. We do get every snap. Because the snaps are lined up and the cover is fit correctly, it actually goes on easily. We manage the water to flow out the back of the boat, which allows a much sleeker profile, which allows for much better towing. On this side, you'll be able to see that I'm not pulling down and fighting the snaps on because all the snaps are all aligned. One of the reasons we use the fabric we do, the top-notch product, is because it does not shrink. If you have a shrinking boat cover material, then it is going to be tight. And that's the problem with shrinking boat cover material. It's usually not worth the cheap price you pay for it. So as you can see, it went on nice and quick. No fighting and looking for snaps. The poles are not tight, but they are in there. And that's the advantage of a correctly fit boat cover, snap-on boat covers. Now the problem with snap-on boat covers is just what you saw me go through. Every snap has got to be hit. Thank you very much.